I'm looking to book a cruise. Does anyone know if I can opt out of paying gratuities?
That's the 7th question we're going to answer today in this series of sailor support. So, whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, come aboard with us as we help you navigate the choppy waters of the cruise line industry and answer your burning questions from around the world.
Hello, cruisers. I was looking to book a cruise and saw a service appreciation charge of $20 per day with Norwegian Cruise Line, and similar with Princess Cruises. It's the two I'm looking at right now. Is there a way to remove this, or is it just automatic? This is the deciding factor for the trip. Otherwise, I will have to look at other options. Obviously, like all vacations, I will tip the person cleaning my room, the waiters, and the restaurant directly beside the buffets. I'm not going to want to pay a daily fee per person on top of that. Thanks, and safe travels.
No. Whether it's folded into the fare or added daily, it's a normal cost of cruising, and it's rude and selfish and stingy to even think about removing it. And no, nobody buys the claim that I will tip and cash those people who directly take care of me. Because a certain amount of that daily fee goes to people you never interact with, but still impact your experience.
That's how the staff make their money. It's totally a dick move to opt out.
I would tip the staff helping me like I do anywhere else, restaurants, vacation resorts, etc. But I don't expect to see extra bills on that stuff to tip the dishwashers and people doing laundry at a hotel.
Why do you think the buffet workers don't deserve a tip? They're in the tip pool. How are you going to tip those in the tip pool that you never see, but also work to make your vacation great? Are you going to be carrying around $20 per day in cash to tip those that serve you? Or do you think it's too much and are planning to tip less?
People are giving you answers to what you asked. You are arguing because it's not the answer you want. In the cruise industry, whether we like it or not, or think it's right or wrong, it's the standard. Frequent cruisers just pay the daily charge as part of the fare. It's the cost of doing business to cruise. As you have been told multiple times, your daily fee goes to the staff that may not wait on you directly, but contribute greatly to your experience. You, as a grown adult, can either choose to tip your direct service staff extra or not, or you can remove the daily charge as your moral compass allows, or you can choose a different vacation. Cruising is at an all-time high. Trust me, cruise lines don't give a rat's ass if you decide not to go over $200. Whatever you choose, travel safe and happily.
I'm not here to argue one way or another. The whole idea of the gratuity is to be able to show lower base rate fares. They can get more people in by saying $299 plus $100 gratuity versus $399 with it included in the price. It's marketing. It's psychological.
It sounds to me like you should consider another option. It's not fair to stiff those working behind the scenes. I think your instinct is correct. Either pay the daily gratuity or choose another option.
What do you mean stiff them behind the scenes? I've never tipped anyone behind the scenes, and I live in a tip culture place. It's common practice to tip who is helping, like the server. The restaurant doesn't add on a tip per person for the cooks, dishwashers, etc. Thanks for the reply. But how does not going at all help them and not hinder them? It seems toxic, in my opinion.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.